Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage ad preferences settings on your account on Snapchat, easy and quick. First, after you click on your profile icon, click on this settings icon here, and here you will find ads. Click on it, and here you will find ad preferences. Click on it, and here as you see you can manage your ad preferences as you want, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.